This is going to be the installation video of the Razime luxury shower head combo. I have not ever installed this thing before. You guys can see I still have some of the plastic and stuff on this stuff. So this, I have no idea how good this video is going to be, how informative, but I'm literally just going to document me installing this. I might mess up, but this is just a real life, this is real. This is real. So, I guess we will have to start with this thing right here. I don't know how to open this. I don't know anything, so let's just go ahead and get started with it. So let's take this off. I'm assuming that this will go like so, and then this will eventually open up. So yes, it does say opening direction here. So let's see if we can do that. Oh wow, this is kind of difficult to, okay. All right, so let's do that. Let's see. So maybe we can move this thing up. Oh, okay, so you can move this up. Wow, it's really tough to move it up and down. So I don't know, I don't remember why this, what is this? Oh, this is actually going to hold the shower head. So the hose, oh, okay. I'm just looking at the picture. So, I guess what we will do is we'll take this off. Take this off. We've got our little gasket here, as you guys can see. So we'll go ahead and screw this on up here. It might have been easier to, wait a minute, that's the wrong thing. Whoa. This can, all right, I'm gonna actually have to step in here. So we're gonna fold this back down and twist this on. Let's see. What is the easy, because this thing is very gigantic. All right, it looks like we're getting some thread caught on it. All right, that's good. All right, okay. I think maybe we'll get it one more turn. I think it came with some, yeah, it definitely came with some tools. So I wonder if we can use those tools to tighten this up a little bit without like scratching it up or overdoing it or anything like that. So let's see. Oh yeah, this tool is perfect. Wow, this tool is perfect. All right, none of the other shower heads came with a tool that's so perfect. It fits perfectly and it's exactly what I need it for. All right, well, that's amazing. Big plus to you guys for sending that out like that. That's amazing. Okay, next, what do we have to do next? I have no idea. Maybe we'll read some of the instructions here, if there are any instructions. Let's see here. Okay, so we do this. Oh yeah, we tighten it. Now we have, it says to put this big shower head on first. So let's go ahead and try to do that. So we've got our rain shower head here. Uh-oh, you guys might have seen that I didn't even wash or take care of my hair, so I wasn't supposed to be in the video. So I'm gonna angle it like that so that way you don't see. Oh, it's crazy. All right, so I guess we're gonna have to do the same thing with this. So let's see what the instructions say. Hopefully it's not terribly translated from Chinese. So it says, connect rain shower head, screw the rain shower head onto the bracket in clockwise direction as tight as possible. You can also use a wrench to tighten it. Adjust the angle of the rain shower head to avoid any of this in the brackets. Okay, so we'll go ahead and see, does this, okay, I think since there's this little notch right here, that it should be able to. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. All right. I'm gonna have to get inside. Oh yeah, you guys can't even see. So let's see if we can put it like this. Okay. Let's see. I'll put this down to give us some room. Since it's like upside down or whatever it is, I don't know which way is. I think this way is clockwise. I'm just trying to get it to catch a thread. Okay, I was wrong. This way is clockwise, actually. So now I'll also tighten this part. I loosened this part a little bit to give us some room. So let's just keep spinning it like this, spinning it up. Okay, now I can feel a little bit of resistance, which means I'll have to see if I can use this. Nope, that side is too big. Oh, this is the good fit right here. Wait, what? All right, now I lost. I don't think this is actually even moving. Let me see. Yeah, this thing is not even moving. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So you really have to make sure that this wrench thing is on the actual notch itself, or else it's just going to keep spinning. But I wonder if that's already tight enough. I'm just going to assume that it's tight enough. I'm just going to assume that it's tight enough. Okay. So that is like that. If it's not, then we'll just have to get back in there and do some more tightening. But yeah, they should have made the notch fit a lot better on that. I will say that. It fits really, really good on here because there's like there's two flat parts on the side over here. And it's very easy to do that. But here there is not two flat parts. And so it's very difficult for this thing to actually catch. So that's a negative on them, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so the next thing here is we are going to attach the hose, and attach the hose here, and then we should be able to adjust it and sit it on that. So let's see, we'll attach the hose first. We've got this. Okay, and we will take this cap off, undo this. Now this has a gasket inside, so we got to make sure that we hold it up. Well, actually, no, I think we'll, uh-oh, I don't know what we're going to do here. Let's see. I think we need to put it on this first. So let's do that. And these don't have any notches on it either, so it's like you just gotta hand tighten it. I don't know what this is. Okay. So now we've got this right here. I think I gotta move this way up here like this. All right, gives us some room. So now we've got this. I don't know if it's even in frame or not. We got this. Hopefully you guys can see. I think you should be able to. But yeah, this part should be pretty simple. Okay, that's on. And I guess this is magnetic. Oh my God, it is magnetic. Wow, that's okay. All right. Okay. Okay. And so, okay. Okay, so I guess it should, in theory, work. How do I turn one on and the other one off, I guess? How do I turn one on and the other one off? Oh, I guess it's this thing back here. Oh, it is that thing. Okay, so let's turn it on and see what happens. Oh boy, I have no idea what's about to happen. Okay, we've got some water coming straight out. I wonder, so there's basically, oh, okay, so this, oh, okay. So then we'll turn it to this. So now I got a rain shower. Okay, I don't know if that even has any modes or anything. And I guess you could adjust this and twist it how you would like. And then if you put it in the middle, I guess you can use both, but that's pretty weak. And you have this one, which is very, very weird because it's, I guess, I don't really know who would shower and it's coming straight at you like that. Or unless, I guess, what people would do is, oh man. If you're really, really not, if you're like, if you're tall or whatever, I guess this is how you would have to use this part right here. But I guess most people would be buying this, that way you can have this rain shower thing here, but whatever. Anyways, it's time to make the review.